So there was one devotee who was doing book distribution in some parts of Germany. In Germany it is not open. Sometimes people would not like religious things to be conducted in the open streets. So they used to go for book distribution, and they used to go house to house. Sometimes they used to park their car and open in a lot parking lot, or they used to stand on a road where this malls or some things are there where people come out and go in. There they used to stand and they used to distribute the books. So this devotee was going in an area where there were shopping streets. So men and women, they are trying to go around, purchase various items and all. So he heard some sounds coming, some screaming coming. People, men and women are running around, screamings were coming. As he was going more closer, he saw there was a group of crowd, and he saw one person, crazy person, lunatic person. He was having one leather belt and he was beating people who was coming across him. So whoever he is coming across, he is taking that belt and giving them a lashing on all the people. No women, no men, no children, nothing. He is beating all the people. That this devotee thought, why I have to go there and get beatings from him? Let me avoid this person, let me avoid this group, let me go to a small side street. He went into a small lane. Then from far he could see that person is attracted to this monk because he is an oddly dressed man. Dhoti, kurta, we are odd men out everywhere. So he got attracted to this man and he started chasing him. So he thought, I should maintain peacefulness, I should not run around, because devotees are peaceful, calm, no hankering, no bothering. So he was slowly moving, but that person was fastly chasing. So he thought, let me avoid this person, let me go to one lady who is standing there. He went there and he said, hello madam, would you like to see some book? Then when he was trying to talk to her, see, like I am talking to that lady, suddenly that lady's expression became like fearful, because this person is standing behind him and gave him one dhakka. He fell down and he stood on him and he raised his hand to beat him with that belt. And devotees don't know anything about the law, anything but the Lord. Then the devotee started the last option. He started praying, Namaste Narasimhaya. Suddenly his hand freezed in the air. His hand is not coming. He is shouting, I want to beat you, but hand is not coming down, belt is not coming down. In a moment, suddenly there was one big car, police car with 12 people coming out, captured him, put him down with his face down, started beating him with all their strength. After a few minutes, he was taken into the car and he was driven away. Then this devotee got up and he was seeing all the people were amazed. What is this happened? Suddenly this person wanted to beat and he could not beat. What happened? Then the devotee saying, cinema khatam ho gaya, aaja books le lo, jo impact aapko bhi aisa milne ka hai, le lo, book le lo. Like, if you also become Krishna conscious, there is an opportunity that Lord will also protect you in circumstances like this. This is a cinema ho gaya, chalo aajao. These are the important books by which you can also get protected. In that way he started selling devotees that books. So Lord is there. Need not be that he has to be visible to us. But when devotees are in dire distress, Lord comes in means and ways to protect the devotees. That is the assurance of the Lord. In every scripture, that Lord gives that commitment. Kaunteya pratijanahi name bhakta pranashyati. So our thing is, are we sincerely committing for the service? So we do our duty, Lord does his duty. So everything is left to us. We should take that commitment. We should take this opportunity to preach. Then all the things, what is destined for us will automatically be given to us. And we will be given more and more opportunity to preach and engage in devotion.